Welcome to the MyOTC navigation tutorial. To begin, we go to my.otc.edu and click the orange button under the logo to log in. Enter your OTC username and password, then select Sign In. The MyOTC homepage is the first page you see after logging in. There are three options for navigating in MyOTC: Menu, Button, and Breadcrumb. Menu navigation is a good way to view all your resources and tools without having to load multiple pages. Button navigation is a quick way to access common resources without having to expand menu options. Breadcrumb navigation allows you to backtrack or to view other resources and tools in the same area of MyOTC without having to fully expand the side menu. We will begin by looking at menu navigation. To the left, there is a vertical dark gray bar with icons that can be used to navigate all student tools and resources. These icons represent the MyOTC homepage, academic resources, financial information, getting started resources, helpful resources, and user options. You can expand the menu by clicking the three stacked horizontal white bars on the top left-hand corner of the page. The menu can be expanded further by selecting the down-facing white arrow to the right of the label with a specific area you wish to expand. The menu can be collapsed by clicking the up-facing white arrow to the right of the label of the area you wish to collapse. Next, we will explore using the buttons to navigate from the MyOTC homepage. On the MyOTC homepage, you can see buttons for student planning, grades, graduation, enrollment verifications, transcript requests, student accounts, financial aid, and tax information. Selecting Student Planning will open a page with two more buttons, one for viewing your degree audit and the other for going to plan and register. Selecting the Grades button from the homepage will open a page listing your grades and GPA by term. Selecting the Graduation button from the homepage will allow you to apply for graduation. Selecting the Enrollment Verification button from the homepage will allow you to request a verification of your enrollment with OTC. Selecting Transcript Requests from the MyOTC homepage will open a page that allows you to request an official copy of your OTC transcript be sent to a location of your choice. Selecting Student Accounts from the MyOTC homepage will open a page allowing you to view your registration charges, set up the My Payment plan, and make payments towards your account. Selecting the Financial Aid button from the MyOTC homepage will open the Financial Aid homepage that presents information on your financial aid status. Finally, selecting the Tax Information button from the MyOTC homepage will open a page that has tabs for different tax documents you can download PDF files of by year for the years you've attended OTC. Let's explore using Breadcrumb navigation. First, let's open a page using the Student Planning button from the MyOTC homepage. At the top left-hand side of the page, there is a bar that shows a sequence that reads Academics, Student Planning, Planning Overview. We are currently on Planning Overview, so it isn't bolded or underlined like the previous two items. The bar is detailing the menu path to the page you are currently on. If we click on Student Planning, a drop-down list appears including all the items under Student Planning that we would find in the sidebar menu. This list has links to those resources which we can navigate to by selecting the corresponding link. This breadcrumb bar appears on every MyOTC page except the homepage, regardless of how you originally accessed the page. Let's navigate to a page using the sidebar menu to see another example of the breadcrumb bar. First, expand the sidebar menu and further expand Academics, then Student Planning, and finally select Find Classes. At the top, we can see the breadcrumb bar reflects the options we expanded to access the page. To learn more about all the tools and resources that can be accessed through MyOTC, please watch our student tour of MyOTC video. Thank you for watching the MyOTC navigation tutorial.